I think the lake in Epcot is as big as the park.
So cool. Here we are.
For next year, I'm going to Walt Disney World in October, and I have to save all my sign-in.
So you get a free day or 3 days there for...
What happens is you as an employee, or I as an employee, I get in for free all the time. But then they give us a little sign-in card where we get like 14 sign-ins a year or something like that.
That's cool.
So we can get three people in at a time, plus us.
This is cool. This is a good shot.